Hello, welcome to Brenna's Bargains. On today's video, September 6th, we're going to have summer barbecue for only 1 penny. That's right, 1 penny. So just remember, penny shopping is a secret. Do not ask employees where the pennies are. So here's a video last week, me looking for some items for 90% off. And here is what I found. So come this Tuesday, you might find a bunch still, and you might find a little. So just remember, every store, scan, and just check. And you might be lucky, and you might get a lot, and you might get a little. So just remember, this penny shopping is a secret. You do not ask employees where the pennies are. Here is the complete list. So it won't matter if you scan this list in the Dollar General app, where the little SKU is on the top, because it will say a penny, and if you change stores, it will say 000. So it won't matter if you scan the item or not. Usually at 90%, this helps you find what's available in each store. But when it goes down to a penny, you rely on visuals only. So once you get down to a penny, you really don't need the SKUs. That's why I took the SKUs off this video and I made it more shorter and more fast. So this is more about visuals and giving you just items to look for. And that's what you do when it's on penny day. You do not really rely on the SKU or the UPC. So in this video, we just have several little visuals to help you out, to help you find everything for a penny. I wish everybody good luck, and I hope that everybody finds some pennies in their stores. If you're new to penny shopping, just remember to download the Dollar General app. Once you got everything downloaded, you just scan on the top. If it rings up a penny, like 01, like it says there, then you're good to go. You can just check out and it will be a penny. So these are just great visuals to help you along the way. And I hope you all find some pennies this Tuesday. Also, I'll be doing another video really shortly soon for future pennies coming up again. So just stay tuned, like and subscribe, because we're going to have several pennies coming up in the future. So no worries. If you can't get pennies like on a certain week, there will be several future pennies coming up real soon in the next month or so. So just remember, this starts September 6th. Happy shopping, good luck, and have a good day. God bless. I love you. Bye.